how blessed I am and how I'm feeling so fine. Nothing's gonna stop me from having a good day. You see, I'm in Onpassive, know what's coming my way. Got friends from here and all across the land, headed with me to that Onpassive promised land. Onpassive, Lord, it's a hill to stay. Onpassive, there's just no better way when we think of what we are able to do and how it's really gonna bless me and you. I get all excited way down deep inside. I know it's something that old Milo, he just can't hide. Onpassive's own Mr. Tim Thompson, give it up for him. Now, just let me say, Onpassive for sure is headed your way. Please be patient, you will all will see just how I's built this for you and me, and how it's never been done before, and how you can hardly believe just what's in store. Red, Marty, and Chris do their lives every day. They're out there speaking and exciting us in so many ways. Yeah, Bree and Michael are doing it too. There's not a lot the boys are not telling me and you. Then Julie and the Milo show just doing their thing now. Don't you know it's Onpassive? Hey, it's here to stay. Onpassive. There's no better way when we think of what we are able to do and how it's really gonna bless me and